we're going to explain how to create a menu-driven program in Python, perfect for Class 11 students. A menu-driven program is basically a program that presents a menu of options to the user, letting them choose what the program should do next. This makes programs much more user-friendly and easier to navigate. We'll build a simple example, but the principles can be applied to much more complex applications. Understanding the basic structure. A menu-driven program typically uses a loop, often a while loop, to keep the menu displayed until the user chooses to exit. Inside the loop, we display the menu options, get the user's choice, and then use conditional statements like if, elif, and else to execute the corresponding code. 2. Designing the menu. First, let's decide what our program will do. Let's say we want a simple calculator that can add, subtract, multiply, and divide two numbers. Our menu might look like this. Menu, 1, add 2, subtract, 3, multiply, 4, divide, 5, exit. Enter your choice. 3. Getting user input. We'll use the input function to get the user's choice from the menu. It's crucial to convert the input, which is initially a string, to an integer using int, so we can compare it to our menu options. We also need to get the two numbers the user wants to operate on. Remember to use error handling, like try except blocks, to gracefully handle cases where the user enters something that's not a number. 4. Performing calculations. Once we have the user's choice and numbers, we use if, elif, and else statements to perform the selected operation. For example, if the choice is 1, add, we add the two numbers and print the result. We do the same for subtraction, multiplication, and division. Remember to include error handling for division by 0. 5. The loop and exit condition. The entire menu and operation selection process happens within a while loop. The loop continues until the user chooses the exit option, in our example, option 5. This creates the menu-driven behavior. 6. Putting it all together. Here's a basic Python code example. Python while true, print, on menu, print 1. Add size, print 2, subtract, print 3, multiply, print 4, divide, print 5, exit. Choice equal input, enter your choice. Try, choice equal int choice. If choice equals 1, num1 equals float, input, enter first number. Num2 equals float, input, enter second number. Print, result. Num1 plus num2. Elif choice equals 2, set. Similar code for subtract, multiply, divide. Elif choice equals 5, break. Exit the loop, else, print, invalid choice. Accept value error, print, invalid input, please enter a number. Print, exiting program. This single paragraph describes creating a menu-driven program in Python. It starts with explaining the concept and structure, moves on to designing a sample menu for a simple calculator, details how to get user input and handle potential errors, explains performing calculations based on user choice, integrates a while loop to create the menu-driven behavior, and finally provides a complete code example with error handling for better understanding. The code handles user input, performs arithmetic operations based on the menu choice, and includes a mechanism to exit the program gracefully. The use of try except blocks ensures that the program doesn't crash if the user enters invalid input. Remember to expand this basic example by adding more features and menu options as you gain confidence.